Hi, my name is Sam Rao. Welcome to this session of benefits of yoga. Why would anybody want to do yoga? Well, one of the things I'd like you to observe is that here you're listening to a 70-year-old who is doing fantastic. I'm in good health. My attitude will of course come through as I'm talking through. I feel at my best. Even when I compare my physical benefits I had from all my gym days and running days, yoga has delivered tremendous amount of benefits for me. So whether you are focused on mending your knees, or you're trying to get over type 2 diabetes, or you've got frozen shoulders or a lower back issue, begin to understand and use yoga postures to remedy the condition in the body. Yes, lower back is very common. Over 80% of our population suffers from lower back and sciatic nerve related issues. Well, you can mask the pains with pharmaceuticals as much as you like, but my wish is that you look at one of the benefits of yoga is to be that remedial posture for removing sciatic pain, to mending the muscles in and around the lumbar spine, so that I go back to not needing any medication to mask pain. Grab the benefits of yoga and acknowledge the health within your body, and acknowledge the quietness you get in your mind. So if you liked that piece, visit my website, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there are plenty more of these kind of videos that you could benefit from.